Modal verbs are a type of auxiliary verb that are used to express different meanings in English. Some common modal verbs are can, may, might, will, shall, should, would, must, and ought to. Here's a brief explanation of what each modal verb means. Can is used to talk about ability. For example, I can speak English. May is used to talk about permission or possibility. For example, may I borrow your pen? Or, it may rain later. Might is used to talk about a possibility or uncertainty. For example, I might go to the movies later. Will is used to talk about the future. For example, I will meet you at the park tomorrow. Shall is used to make suggestions or ask for opinions. For example, shall we go for a walk? Should is used to give advice or make suggestions. For example, you should study for your test. Would is used to talk about hypothetical situations or make polite requests. For example, if I had more time, I would travel more. Must is used to talk about obligation or necessity. For example, I must finish my homework tonight. Ought to is used to give advice or make suggestions, similar to should. For example, you ought to go to bed earlier. It's important to note that modal verbs are always followed by the base form of the verb, without to. For example, I can speak, not I can to speak. In conclusion, modal verbs are an essential part of English grammar, and understanding their usage is crucial for effective communication. By using modal verbs correctly, learners can express different shades of meaning, indicate possibility, obligation, and ability, and make their writing and speaking more concise and precise. As an English teacher, it's essential to teach modal verbs in a clear and structured way, and provide ample practice opportunities for learners to apply their knowledge. With consistent effort and practice, learners can master modal verbs and use them effectively in their daily communication. Subscribe now and join the League of Language Legends.